Okay, we're looking at partial fractions here now. It's no different to what you've seen before, other than the fact you might have a squared. You might have top-heavy fraction as well, but this one isn't top-heavy because we've got cubed on the bottom and we've got squared on the top. So ultimately, this is going to look like this, and this is where people forget. So it's A over something plus B over something plus C over something else. So that's going to be 1 minus x. This is going to be 3x plus 2 squared, and you're wondering what the other one's for. Well, when you have a squared, you need to have that not squared, as it were, to the power 1. Alright? Now, we can use the cover-up rule for B and C, and when we use the cover-up rule for B and C, oops, sorry, don't know why I put a 2 there, and neither of them are 2, so I don't know what I'm doing there. So B is when I put minus 2/3 in, okay, into this equation up here, okay, into that. When I put minus 2/3 in, B comes out as being 4, and C when I put 1 in, C comes out as being 3. If you're not sure where those come from, you need to go back and have a look at the more basic partial fractions videos that I've got on here. Now, once we've got that, we're going to have to do some multiplying out, okay, in order to find out what A is. So A, if I was putting them all over a common denominator, or multiplying them all out, I suppose, you should get this, alright, and 1 minus x plus 4b times 1 minus x plus 3x plus 2 squared, and that equals the 27x squared, etc. I can't fit it on actually, so there you go, it equals the top part here. Okay, now I'm going to multiply all that out and simplify, and I should end up with a brackets, what's that, 3x squared, minus 3x squared plus x plus 2 plus 4 minus 4x plus 3 times, and that's 9x squared plus 12x plus 4 equals 27x squared, etc, etc, etc. You know, the numerator of the original fraction. And then I'm going to have a look at the squared part. So minus 3a, alright, there's no squared in the middle part, there's no squared there, so I can't use that, but there is a squared here. Hold on, so that should be plus 27 has got to equal, sorry, is it plus 27? Yeah, it is, has got to equal 27r. So that means that A is 0, and so therefore I can write out my fractions as, and I'll do it in black, just 3x, oh jeez, I cannot write, there we go, I will try that again, 3x plus 2 all squared, that's a 4 plus 1 minus x, and that's going to be a 3. Okay, so you just got to be a little bit careful to remember, and it's this bit here, it's this one that people forget, alright, but other than that it's the same old process that you've seen before.